On the timing covers. So, that's where your VVT cam adjusts, and it's based off oil pressure. The timing cover is fine, but when I redid this, I used the O-ring kit provided by I think it was Pro or MAHLE. And funny thing is, this is a rubber O-ring that they provide. Let me see if I can get some light on it. See, it's a rubber O-ring. It's not moving. It's actually stuck. And I'm wondering if this has anything to do with my one of the issues I'm running into with the P0021 and 11. Whereas, let me show you, this is a brand new cover. You can't buy this by itself apparently. So the cover's about $30, $40. See how easily that moves? And it actually is not rubber. It's a layer type item. And see how it can cushion in and out. I can tell you the old one that I took off was just like that. This rubber junk from MAHLE, even on their kit, they've sent, they were missing one of the lower or upper oil pan gaskets. It's not a good kit. So whenever you can go OEM, go OEM. So that's what I'm doing in here. Swapping out the VPT solenoids at the same time. And just getting knocked out. But that's just something I wanted to point out. I read that on the Titan or some other forums. Nissan trucks, I think it was the Frontiers. But someone mentioned that, and the moment after they did that, they were good to go. Because my timing's good, compression's good, the car runs great. I'm just having those little dilemmas. And this is just one thing just to look at.